Right, this section is a reading mat. Now, you should be getting pretty comfortable at using Photoshop by now after doing your other products. So I'm going to do less demonstration about how you would make shapes in there, and it's really up to you to do the graphical parts yourself now. In this video, I'm just going to give you an example of what they're actually looking for. So you need to make a reading mat, and this is for a school to let kids kind of sit on it and read on it. And it's an interlocking mat made up of lots of different pieces. Now I'll show you what that looks like. If you look at this, this is an example of the type of thing that they're looking for. So you have these different pieces that can be joined together to make a mat. Now you don't have to have different things on each of your pieces. It just needs to be able to fit together with another piece. So when you make your shape, you're looking to make something like this, like one of these pieces. So you're going to have to work out how to do that in Photoshop using the various drawing tools that you've got. Okay, quite difficult, but you will be able to do that with the skills that you've learned so far. Just might take a few attempts for you to get there. On each mat, there should be your mascot, so you'll need to make sure that you put the mascot on there. We've already said it needs to interlock with other pieces, and it needs to have other appropriate elements. So whatever you think is appropriate, like maybe a message to encourage people to read, or a gold star, you decide. Something that matches the other products that you've made. So that's what you're doing, that's what you're making, a piece for a reading mat. And hopefully that gives you the information looking at that example to give you an idea of what you're making.